ਸਕਰੀਨ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲੈਗੋ ਬ੍ਰਿਕਸ ਐਂਡ ਪੀਸਸ ਲਈ ਗੂਗਲ ਚਿੱਤਰ ਖੋਜ ਨਤੀਜੇ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ। ਇੱਥੇ ਲੀਗੋ ਸੈਟਾਂ, ਬਲਕ ਬ੍ਰਿਕਸ ਅਤੇ ਕਈ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਲੀਗੋ ਟੁਕੜਿਆਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਕਈ ਤਸਵੀਰਾਂ ਦਿਖਾਈ ਦੇ ਰਹੀਆਂ।
Good morning everyone, a new day, a new vlog and a new event. Today we are going to Google's Builders Day जो कि दिल्ली में हो रहा है। ये एक तरीके का ग्लोबल इवेंट है जो कि इंडिया में बहुत सारे सिटीज़ में हो रहा है, फॉर एग्जांपल दिल्ली, और कुछ दिनों में बैंगलोर में भी होने वाला है। तो आज हम चलते हैं गूगल के इवेंट में और देखते हैं कि पूरे दिन हमें किन किन लोगों से मिलने को मिलता है और क्या क्या हम एक्टिविटीज़ करते हैं, कौन कौन से सेशंस अटेंड करते हैं, और जो भी होगा, जो भी हम करेंगे पूरे दिन, आई विल मेक श्योर कि मैं वो सारा कुछ व्लॉग में कवर कर पाऊँ। हाँ, सारा कुछ नहीं, लेकिन जितना हो सके उतना तो कवर कर पाऊँ। Right now we are at the venue, just got our card with her name written on it, Rohan Rajgupta, and the company name Prabony AI. So we are at the event right now and just having my coffee and have some breakfast to have because घर से निकलते time I didn't have any breakfast and all. So let's have our breakfast and let's go to event and let's see आज क्या क्या सीखने को मिलता है, किन किन से मिलने को मिलता है. So in the breakfast we are having some coffee and cheese stuffed dhokla, pancakes, some cookies, and overall this is the breakfast. Guys, this is the registration desk of Google Cloud Builders Day and we found out Disha and Shweta. Hi guys, how are you doing? And these are you guys are in the community team or the core team, or how you guys are doing this?
We are just managing the Google team, the events, like
Okay.
we are helping the organizers
Okay.
in the events of for the smooth registration process and the guests don't get any complaints about the organizer.
Okay, I have many folks on my LinkedIn who always ask how to get in the teams or management teams of events like these because Google have such great events. How to get there?
There are event companies basically, so they communicate and connect with that. They hire freelancers and the event management team to cover their event and to execute it.
So registration desk पे आप लोगों को कैसा लगता है? सुबह से शाम तक ऐसे frustrated or like cool? Chill up है? You guys are very chill up and like there's a lot of registrations ना, तो
400 plus registrations.
How many registrations?
400 plus.
400 plus. Hats off to you guys. Why don't you drink some coffee and food?
We already have.
Okay.
Writing my software, I didn't write a single line of code. And I have my back-end service, which exposes an API. And I have my front-end service, which is my actual website. And I'm able to change it, tweak it, change the code. Again, it's just code. But I'm letting anti-gravity do pretty much all the work. I don't think I've written a line of code in 3 months, and I've never produced more code in my life over the last 3 months. Because now I'm orchestrating it. I'm not writing it anymore, I'm just directing it, which is a pretty exciting and weird transformation. Host them on an AI platform. I tried to show you all of these. Right? How do we think about really smart tools, anti-gravity, CLI, you're going to use those today, which is great. But then it doesn't matter if I don't build interesting software. What was the point? So how do I build differentiated, agentic, interesting applications? But even that's not good enough. Am I going to run that on a system that makes it easier to run, that talks MCP natively, that has those sort of troubleshooting SRE capabilities? I think you need all three, and frankly, we're the only ones that do that. So hopefully you'll have fun using them all together.
After attending a few more sessions, it's time to have a coffee because I was feeling very sleepy inside. So let's have some sugar and let's prepare our coffee. So after finishing the coffee and hanging around in the venue and networking with a lot of people, I met two guys. So hi Ashish. So what do you do? What are you doing here?
So we are basically covering this event, making 4 YouTube videos for Google developers YouTube channel and a few short films.
And how I can help you?
So there was a very insightful question that Rohan gave, that is he built a startup within 24 hours and that really caught our attention and we are here to cover that part basically. Yeah.
So okay, so we have to shoot a 5-minute bite for Google.
Yes.
Okay, so the camera is getting prepared here. So let me shoot that one bite and we'll get back to you on the vlog. So the mic has been set up on my shirt and here is Ritika. We are going to shoot the bite.
Yes.
Okay. So do you have your questions prepared?
Yeah.
So do you have tough questions for me?
No, simple.
Okay, let's see what kind of questions does Ritika is prepared with. Okay, let's do the bite. Hi Paul, how are you doing?
I'm doing good. Very good.
So-
Hi to your viewers.
So Paul is a part of Google for Startups, right?
Yeah, I'm part of Google's developer relations organization and working on all the startup related.
Okay. So can you explain me that I'm very curious about knowing about what is Google for Startups? Can you just define in 1 or 2 lines what is Google for Startups?
Well, Google has been for several years supporting the growth of startup ecosystems all over the world. And one of the main ways we do it is by working with founders such as yourself,
Yeah.
especially in the tech space, offering them everything from advisory, mentorship, in a structured 3-month program. In India, we've been running the accelerator program now for almost 10 years. More than 250 companies we've supported. These companies have raised more than $4.5 billion.
$4.5 billion
Billion dollars?
worldwide.
No, this is only India.
This is only India. The 4.5 billion. Are you like kidding me?
I'm not kidding you. These are
In
real
India.
numbers. Real
Okay.
numbers.
Great. I was
More
not
than
aware of that.
96% survival rate in the portfolio of startups that we've supported. So
Okay.
startups have gone
Can you
on to
name
raise-
one of them that is really a big name right now?
ShareChat.
ShareChat. ShareChat was accelerated by Google for Startups. I was really not aware of this fact. Yeah.
ShareChat was one of our early startups. There are many other very innovative, unique startups in the AI space
Yeah.
that we've supported along the way. So, yeah.
So the kind of founders I met, I really find one thing common, that all of are just looking for funding. And I think this is not should be the first approach for building a startup. It should be like solving first a problem, then building an MVP. And nowadays, what we are in an event right now, building an MVP is very easy. In today's day, then use of byte coding and the product is available. So what should be the first approach of a startup founder? Not building in AI only, building in any tech or building in any field. According to you or according to Google for Startup, what you promote first or what you teach first?
Sure. I mean, first of all, founder is a title.
Yeah.
And the really origin stories of most really good startups are these developers or people looking to solve for a meaningful problem. Right? They identify a problem either in their own personal life or something they've experienced, or they identify an opportunity to solve it. They have the ability to think through, hey, I can actually do this, or a team of people can come and figure out a solution. Like you were saying earlier, the idea of being a startup founder, that's just a title. Your first problem solver. And it always starts with a minimum viable product that you build and validating that. I think that's the immediate next step. To make sure that the users for which you're building that product are actually validating it, saying that yes, this is a problem, yes, I might use this product. Thereafter, it's all about how the MVP grows, and if you're getting more users, what kind of stickiness you have for your product and growth, and really that kind of leads to the next phase. Funding is something that you need to grow the business, to grow the MVP. So funding is not a goal. Funding is a
Funding is the part of process, and that is a requirement for scaling the product, I think.
Yeah. You need to first have a validated product that people are actually willing to use or pay something. And funding again sometimes comes when people.
Finally, we came out of all the sessions. We had a great time, and now we are looking forward for the lunch. Let's see how and where the lunch is, and actually meeting all the people who are actually working on the products is quite great. Let's have lunch, and after lunch we'll connect to some more people who are working in Google or DeepMind. By the way, these people are actually very fantastic and great knowledge sources. So here is the complete venue. We are at the Lalit right now. So this is the Lalit Hotel. So this is the complete this painting, and the ambience is quite good. And there's the dining area right there. You can see there's the dining area, and these are some of the artifacts here and here. And there's the lounge, sitting lounge right there for the guests and amenities. So yeah, and there we are having the event for Google's Builders Day. So this is the area where food is being served, and right now I have had my food, but this is the complete area. People are still having food, and right now we are about to move to other sessions. So here it is me.
Hey there, Gemini. Could you tell me what you see on the screen? ਸਕਰੀਨ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲੈਗੋ ਬ੍ਰਿਕਸ ਐਂਡ ਪੀਸਿਸ ਲਈ ਗੂਗਲ ਚਿੱਤਰ ਖੋਜ ਨਤੀਜੇ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ। ਇੱਥੇ ਲੀਗੋ ਸੈਟਾਂ, ਬਲਕ ਬ੍ਰਿਕਸ ਅਤੇ ਕਈ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਲੀਗੋ ਟੁਕੜਿਆਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਕਈ ਤਸਵੀਰਾਂ ਦਿਖਾਈ ਦੇ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਹਨ। ਸੱਜੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਇੱਕ ਵੱਡੀ ਤਸਵੀਰ ਹੈ ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਹਰੇ, ਪੀਲੇ, ਨੀਲੇ ਅਤੇ ਲਾਲ ਲੀਗੋ ਬ੍ਰਿਕਸ ਹਨ। ਕੁਝ ਸੰਬੰਧਿਤ ਖੋਜਾਂ ਵੀ ਹਨ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਆਲ ਲੈਗੋ ਪੀਸਿਸ ਨੇਮਸ ਅਤੇ ਲੈਗੋ ਪਾਰਟਸ ਲਿਸਟ PDF।
सो जल्दी से मैं आप सभी को ब्रीफ कर देता हूँ जो भी आपने व्लॉग में अभी तक देखा। तो हमारा गूगल का जो इवेंट है बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है अभी तक। मैं सारे उन लोगों से मिला जो डीप माइंड में काम कर रहे हैं, गूगल क्लाउड पे एक्चुअली काम कर रहे हैं, जेमिनी 3 और इन सारे मॉडल्स पे काम कर रहे हैं। और मैंने कुछ पॉडकास्ट भी रिकॉर्ड करे हैं और बहुत सारे अच्छे कनेक्शंस बने। मज़ा आया सो फार। हमने लंच भी कर लिया और आज AI इम्पैक्ट समिट भी है और गूगल बिल्डर्स डे भी है। लास्ट डे में था AI इम्पैक्ट समिट में। But overall this is very fun. So right now we are at the metro station, and what just happened is कि मेरे को व्लॉग करने का फिर टाइम नहीं मिला। इवेंट में इतने सारे लोग मिल गए, उनसे डिस्कशंस होने लगे, बातचीत होने लगी, और उस टाइम पे बिल्कुल ही एकदम मतलब बिकॉज मैं उतना व्लॉग करने के यूज़ टू हूँ नहीं, तो उस टाइम पे याद भी नहीं आया कि चलो इस चीज़ को व्लॉग भी करना है। और तो फिर उसके बाद से फिर टाइम नहीं मिला। राइट नाउ अभी वापस जा रहे हैं, घर जा रहे हैं। आज का दिन काफ़ी अच्छा था, प्रोडक्टिव था, बहुत मज़ा आया, लोगों से मिले और बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लोगों से मिले। जो बाहर से डीप माइंड के रिसर्चर्स आए हुए थे, डेटा साइंटिस्ट आए हुए थे, गूगल क्लाउड से इंजीनियर्स आए हुए थे। दे हैव अ लॉट ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस। और उनसे बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखने को मिली कि बिकॉज हम भी एक वाइब कोडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म हमारा भी है, तो हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें पता चली कि डूज़ क्या होते हैं, डोंट्स क्या होते हैं, बिकॉज वो इंसाइट्स देते हैं। सो दिस वॉज अ कम्प्लीट डे एट गूगल बिल्डर्स डे दिल्ली। So yeah, this was the day. So I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, then share this video. Do subscribe to the channel. वही सारी चीज़ें जो हर व्लॉग में बोलता हूँ। और मिलते हैं एक और नए व्लॉग के साथ, एक और किसी दिन किसी नए इवेंट में। So bye bye, take care and